day 2 of our gluten-free sourdough starter from a chick who's not really a scientist nor a baker, just somebody who likes bread. It's supposed to be bubbly after 24 hours to 48 hours. If you tap it, you can see some bubbles. I'm gonna just go ahead and take off a third of the water, and then I'm gonna add in a half a cup of the brown rice flour and a half a cup of water. Use a lot of bakers, a lot of scientists out there saying their experience, and I'm just winging it because I actually like to be less hassle, more bread. Let's see what happens. Here it is, and we'll pour off. Third, we're gonna do a half a cup of water, room temperature, and a half a cup of flour. Give it a good mix. See what it looks like tomorrow. I'm leaving it at room temperature, guys. I'm not putting it in the refrigerator yet.